In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay car insurance online. Paying your car insurance online is usually one of the fastest and easiest ways to keep your policy active and avoid missing a due date. Most insurance companies let you do this either through their website or through their mobile app. And the overall process is very similar no matter which provider you use. To get started, log into your insurance account, open your insurance company's website or app, then sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right policy. If you manage more than one type of insurance, like auto and home, take a moment to confirm you're viewing your car insurance policy before moving forward. Once you're signed in, navigate to the payment section. Look for your auto insurance policy, then select the option to make a payment. This area may be labeled something like billing, payments, pay now, or manage policy. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for the place where you can submit your premium payment online. Next, review your payment details carefully. Check the premium amount, the due date, and the policy information shown on the screen. This is an important step because it helps make sure you're paying the correct amount for the correct policy and that you're not overlooking any past due balance or upcoming charge. After that, choose your payment method. Many insurance companies allow you to pay with a credit card, debit card, bank account, or another available online payment option. Select the method that works best for you, then enter the required payment information carefully. It's a good idea to double check everything before continuing so there are no delays caused by typing errors. When everything looks correct, submit your payment, confirm the payment details, then complete the transaction. Depending on the provider, you may see a processing screen for a few seconds while the payment goes through. Try not to refresh the page or close the app until you receive confirmation that the payment was successful. Once the payment is complete, save your confirmation. Download or print the receipt or take a screenshot if needed. Keeping proof of payment can be helpful in case you ever need to verify that the transaction went through. Finally, verify your coverage. Make sure the payment has been processed and that your policy remains active. You may see an updated account status right away, or you may receive a confirmation email or in-app notification shortly after. And that's it. That's how to pay car insurance online quickly, securely, and with confidence.